How you doing, guys? This is Antoine Allen, award-winning filmmaker from Queens, New York. I want to share this amazing and inspirational experience I had on Stage 32. So you know on Stage 32 they have a section called a pitch session. If you're a screenwriter, you could pitch your screenplay to their selected executives and hopefully they would pick it up and get it made for you. It's a great option. So at the time, around 4 years ago, I have a screenplay called Lola. It's a female boxing film. I wanted to go on the website and try to get one of the executives to get it made for me, because at the time I didn't have the funding to do it. So I went on the website, selected a few executives, and guess what, guys? All the executives that read my screenplay or seen the one sheet said no. They wasn't interested in it. So I had an option: keep pitching or somehow get the funding myself. I decided to get the funding myself. So I work a regular job along running my film production company. I went into my 401k, took the money out, and last year I produced my second feature film called Lola. It came out amazing. I'm so proud of it. So now this year, 2020, I decided, let me go back to Stage 32, because that option of picking an executive that I could never get to is a great option. So I said maybe this time around it'd be different. And guess what, guys? I went back on Stage 32, went to the pitch session, and I selected this executive, and he loved the project. After he took a look at my one sheet and my pitch, my whole package for the film, and I also in the package, I had a trailer, like a pitch trailer of the movie, because the film was done. He loved it. He requested to watch the movie. He loved the movie after watching it, and we just signed a shopping agreement. He's gonna help me to get distribution for the project. This is a great story, because sometimes you have to go through your 100 no's to get that one yes. So once again, I want to thank Stage 32 for this great option. All the Stage 32 community, never give up on your dreams. All you need is that one yes. Take care. Peace.